Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Dodge Viper and the C8 Corvette. We'll dive into their unique characteristics, from raw power and engine layout to interior design and overall driving feel. This full comparison will help you understand the philosophies behind these two distinct American sports car icons, highlighting what makes each one a legendary machine on the road and track. Get ready for a detailed head-to-head look. When it comes to power, the Viper typically packs an enormous 8.4-liter V10 engine, delivering up to 645 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque. It's paired exclusively with a 6-speed manual transmission. The C8 Corvette Stingray, however, utilizes a 6.2-liter V8, offering up to 495 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque, exclusively through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic. Moving inside, the Viper's interior is known for its raw, driver-focused approach, often featuring a more analog feel and optional leather. In contrast, the C8 Corvette presents a thoroughly modern, driver-centric cockpit with an 8-inch infotainment screen and a digital gauge cluster. Its mid-engine layout also allows for a sleek, aerodynamic exterior design, a significant departure from the Viper's classic long hood aesthetic. The driving experience truly differentiates these two. The Viper provides a raw, untamed, and highly engaging ride, demanding driver skill with its powerful V10 and manual transmission. The C8 Corvette, with its mid-engine balance and advanced electronics, offers a more refined yet incredibly capable experience, whether on the street or track. While the Viper's average used price is around $90,000, the C8 Stingray starts closer to $60,000, offering incredible value. And speaking of great deals, check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other exclusive offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.